This is one of the biggest ones I've done, one of the bigger ones I've done. It's 8 metres long by 4 metres wide. Felt like it was pretty level when we got here, but it's actually slipped away quite a lot. Tipped down by a bit. So what we've got to do is get the foundations in. Normally what I do is get the foundations in, build the walls up, and then dig out the inside to get it level. But this is so massive that there's so much to shift. And also another reason is because the engineering bricks that I've ordered were the wrong ones. So I need to get on with something else when I'm waiting for those to arrive. It might not come till tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is dig out the interior with a spade and a shovel, a wheelbarrow. Just a few tons of soil.